Ayan na yung entrada.
Where did you guys not join Boracay?
I had the sister.
What up? Oh no, I found another ABBA song I like.
Meryl makes everything better, honestly.
Yeah, Meryl makes everything better. Ooh, so we have Japanese fries, Japanese calamari, Japanese gyros,
Japanese.
Bye-bye! Oh, wait, you want a vlog? Okay. Yay!
You can pause, you can record at the shop, or are you gonna vlog it? You wanna vlog it?
Let's go.
You can go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
You guys should buy books here while you're still here. Oh, dude, book from Revenge.
You could buy one, Posh. You have money? Because I don't usually read. I don't know anything about books.
Audrey paid for one of them as a birthday present.
I'm a pirate. I don't buy books. I only buy them if I want to read them like this. Oh no, it's ripped.
Is it?
You.
Oh my
Fully booked, you
gosh.
scam. Is there people in BLK? No, there's a line.
Milk. How is it?
Matcha is great. It's always great.
Yeah. No.
Give me a song, give me a song.
Yeah, where are we going?
We want to go inside? We're not going to do anything much.
No, let's go there. We're thinking of going there.
Laser tag.
Laser tag.
Yo, let's play.
You want to play laser tag? Let's go. Woo!
Take a picture.
Let's go.
Picture. Smile.
Game started.
You got me?
Okay. Hi, by the way, it's me, Anna. Oh, I died. You're not allowed to shoot the cameraman, but they're breaking the rules. Don't go to laser tag, it ruins friendships. How do you actually use this gun?
You have to do it with 2 hands.
Oh.
Hold it like this.
Oh. No wonder! No wonder. But I'm a camera person anyways.
Okay.
Wait. Your teeth glow in the dark. I'm just taking a break. Good luck to anyone watching this.
Game over. Please return.
Okay, it's game over.
I win! 3-8-8.
All sweaty from laser tag.
Yes, that one. Yeah,
That one's
actually, this one,
fine.
yeah. That one looks good. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. Your turn.
So I made up my mind. It must come to an end.
Live fun. Living in the real world. Hey.
Blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia.
Hi, wait, hold on. Hi!
Never wanna hear you say, 'cause I want it that way. Why are you taking shots of them?
Run!
No, what were we talking
The leader was like, oh, she's so
What is gonna die before?
Can we steal some Tim Tams so we can get them to try?
Can you order room service?
Yeah. Let's party it up. Order na kayo at ano?
Do you hear the snoring?
Look at that.
I'm shaking. It's cold.
Wow.
That's bright.
Morning, IKEA.
Are you burning?
So let's take you through the options.
Okay, this is big.
Yeah.
Mother's tour.
Okay, go crazy.
Thanks, Mother. Thank you, Mother. Oh, I miss shawarma.
Wow. My stomach gonna be okay.
Doesn't
I'm
matter.
eating cheese so early in the morning.
I think you like Carabao milk. It's a bit nutty. No, but there's like a nuttier. Not like that. I meant taste-wise.
The donuts here are good.
The donut wall.
Donut wall is so extra. I've never seen it before.
I like how you guys share food. My sisters and I could never.
Should I eat the one with the most mold?
Yeah.
You could just put a bunch of stuff in there.
Oh, trust me, this is my bag. You wanna meet your tito and tita? Is it tito and tita? Are you a
I
tito
think
and
so.
tita?
I think so.
Yeah. So this is my sister, the second one. Her name's Roy, Ate Roy. This is Laudrey and this is Alfonso.
It's good twerking music.
Oh yeah.
Just go Carabao. Wow! Oh. So they're gone. Allison. Oh. The card? Oh no, you have the card. Symmetrical. Bye! Enjoy po! Bye-bye. Okay, so I was saying, they're gone. Allison and Kuya B-Boys. Family. And them. What did they say? What did Tita Ling say?
That if you wanted to go to water,
Pansol?
so overnight.
Again.
Yeah.
We obviously did it. We obviously knew that wouldn't work. But it's still funny that we could try to make it work. So we might go to MOA and then just have Kuya pick us up there. And then I'll go to rehearsals. So, do you want to go to MOA now? It's 11:30 something. We can stay in MOA for 2 hours.
Probably the last day we'll see them. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, probably. But anyway, bye.
I think you have better hand. Yeah, I like that.
No, should I write mine now? All I need is you right here beside me.
Here in the wild, a focusing bunso, writing a letter to his mother.
Thanks, Conrad. Keep it safe.
Bye.
Oh, you actually touched my nose.
Bye.
That's it, right? You didn't leave anything?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm closing.
Yep.
Okay, we can't go back.
And if we left something, we'll just go to Australia and get it.
You heard that. IKEA for pillows.
Yeah, we're going to IKEA.
On the hunt for a pillow. Where's my brother? Where'd he go?
Popeyes.
We can. Where is it?